Hey guys, Faith here. So it has been a while since I got to film an adventure vlog. I was going to last week when I went up here, but I ended up not having enough time because I thought my dad was going to the store and everything. And I thought, well, I was going to have enough time here, but unfortunately I did not. But I get to go today and film for you guys, so that's all that matters. So I went to Circle K and got another Mountain Dew Citrus Strawberry, like always, for 85 cents. And then while I was at the flea market, I noticed a CD, and I've noticed it for a few weeks, but it didn't have a price tag on it. But it says, I don't know if you guys can see it. There it goes. Gavin DeGraw CD. Yeah. This didn't have a price sticker on it, like I said, so I had to ask the lady how much it was. And I ended up paying like 50 cents for this, which is awesome. And then I went over to Dollar General. I actually saw this movie last week and I was going to get it, but I was like, well, I hadn't seen it. And then, of course, I saw it last night. Or not last night, Wednesday night. And so I decided to get it. It's Dr. Sleep. Yeah, it's Dr. Sleep. It's the sequel to The Shining, if you guys didn't know. I did see The Shining, but it was a long time ago. But yeah, it was like $5 too, which is awesome. So I finally got a copy of it. So yeah, that's how my adventure's going so far. I'm just sitting here now for a little bit. Just getting some fresh air and resting and doing some stretches. I may take a quick picture out here. And then I may head over to Jindy's to wait on my dad. So yeah, it's been a lot of fun so far. I definitely needed this trip because I just have been dealing with so much stress lately. It's literally drove me insane, almost. So it's definitely been quite nice, I think. So yeah, I figured I would make this adventure vlog for you guys today and tell you guys about my fun adventures since it's been a while. But I'm gonna go and rest for a bit, maybe take a picture, and then head over to Jindy's. But I love you guys. And remember to like and comment if you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.